Hey guys, I'm Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to be reviewing Ryan ShedPlans. You'll find links to the products in the description, and you can use the links to check the latest prices and user reviews. Make sure to watch until the end to know our final verdict whether Ryan ShedPlans is worth it. Ryan ShedPlans Overview. Ryan ShedPlans has over the years have been the go-to plans for constructing wood houses. Founded by Ryan Henderson, a woodwork expert with a career spanning 20 years. The organization offers 12,000 of the best woodwork plans to choose from. Ryan felt that it would be great for people to know how to do things by themselves. This led him to compile images and tutorials into a detailed course called MyShedPlans, including plans and designs. The woodwork plans are 12,000 in number, are detailed and have good labeling, and designed for use by both professionals and amateurs. The product has been digitized and comes in a downloadable format, PDF documents, available on the organization's website. The plans have been custom written by Ryan, while others are a compilation of an extensive research from varied sources including magazines, the peer-reviewed articles, among other websites. We can therefore attest that the information you will be engaging in is of high quality and has been made comprehensive by the inclusion of sizes and annotations, and the elevation drawings. Users will therefore be presented with scanned construction plans and the 3D drawings complete with photos of the actual construction. What we liked: one-time payment scheme. The courses are budget-friendly and cost-effective. Procedures are straightforward and time-saving. Detailed plans with all of the necessary tools and material. Easily accessible in the form of a downloadable ebook. Users can choose the packages they prefer without having to buy all of them. What we did not like: the large amount of plans and information can be overwhelming for a beginner. Things you should know about Ryan ShedPlans. Ryan ShedPlans are meant to provide detailed step-by-step instructions to users who are interested in woodcraft, particularly in building sheds and wood houses. And while the plans remain useful and to the taste of many potential buyers, there are a few hiccups that have room for improvement. Users have therefore raised concerns about the packages being too overwhelming, to which end they are unable to retrieve the relevant resource thanks to the arrangement, and the not-so-orderly categorization of the plans. The plans are more jumbled up therefore. Going through all of them in the package just to find one that relates to one's current project is a draining task. Ryan ShedPlans Specifications. From the table above, you can see that the Ryan ShedPlans are of a wide variety across the board, featuring different types of wood and design of structures. User Reviews. Richard says, "The sheds featured in Ryan's plans are probably built better than the ones in most people's homes." Robert says, "I bought this book to help me with the building of my first shed. Ryan's plans were detailed and made it easy for me." Scott says, "I'd recommend this for anyone needing or interested in building a shed. It's very comprehensive, covering different roofing materials, siding, and more." Ryan ShedPlans Features. Package. The Ryan ShedPlan comes in a package form, which we must say is the most important feature of the product. The package is inclusive of about 12,000 plan designs and blueprints to be precise, and comes with everything that is needed of a plan, and which are the required tools and materials, and photos of similar plans that are under construction right down to completion. And without a doubt, we can confess that this is the ultimate DIY project plan designed for use by amateurs and professionals alike. Versatile plans. Ryan ShedPlans are comprehensive and self-explanatory. The language used is also easy to understand and translate to actual practical work. Users of the ShedPlans, therefore, will be left fully equipped, such that no shed design will be a challenge for them to create. And with the imparted skills, they will definitely be spoiled for choice. The package contains all of the relevant plans for the structures that you would like to build, ranging from garages, tiny homes, kitchen pavilion, to horse barns, among others. Ryan ShedPlans are a creation of a careful thought process, combined with detailed research from authoritative sources. We are therefore positive that you will not only become a DIY expert, but all-around woodwork professional. Plans. The plans have been categorically arranged so that you will be first presented with the basics, which will help you get acquainted with the pending task, after which you will be provided with a complete and detailed guide that will see you to successful completion of the project. First off, the plans will help you to understand the basics of the woodwork project that you planned on undertaking. Secondly, you will get the complete plan that comes attached with a detailed guide that will walk you step by step through the construction process. The above, therefore, means that you also do your due diligence by getting the relevant materials and the required tools ready. The importance of this step is to ensure that as an upcoming artisan, you can see the project to completion, given that most people would abandon their project halfway. Payment scheme. Ryan ShedPlans runs a transparent payment scheme designed to earn the trust of their potential clients. The organization, therefore, allows its clientele to make a one-time payment through any of the provided payment options, and which includes using credit cards or PayPal on Ryan ShedPlans' website when making purchases for the ebook. If the product is not up to your standard or does not suffice in any way, then there's a 60-day money-back guarantee that gives clients a short risk-free purchase. Additional benefits. The Ryan ShedPlans are available in 2 distinct packages. You will therefore get the premium bonus package, designed to help you tackle the more intricate and complex designed woodwork projects on a daily. Users who aren't interested in the premium bonus package can get the third one that will probably meet their requirements. And to ensure that you stay on track and updated on the new designs and plans, Ryan ShedPlans runs an after-sales service that goes on for as long as you are their client. After making the purchases, users will be enrolled in the regular updates service concerning the packages, and which is done for free. They also get free online support, medium access. This includes professional woodworkers when necessary. To get the necessary help, all that the clients have to do is sign into their accounts. Verdict. So is Ryan ShedPlans worth it? If you're planning to undertake serious woodwork DIY projects and build stuff that you can use at home or for clients, then there are no plans and tutorials that match the Ryan ShedPlans. The plan comes with 2 packages to choose from. Further, the packages contain 12,000 plans with a variety of applications to meet all of your woodwork construction needs. The plans are simple, clear, and straightforward, contain photos, and highlight the materials and tools required for construction. You can access them online from the Ryan ShedPlans website in the form of an ebook. The price is budget-friendly, and in addition, you get 2 months to try it out with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Close competitors. One of Ryan ShedPlans' close competitors is TED Woodworking Plans. Firstly, both of them offer detailed plans with a step-by-step guide to their users. Both organizations allow their users to access the content online via their respective websites. However, Ryan's ShedPlans offers 12,000 plans, which are less than TED's by 4,000. Also, the organization provides its content in PDF format only and has no videos. With Ryan ShedPlans, you have a 60-day money-back guarantee. Where do you get your woodworking plans from? Would you consider purchasing Ryan's ShedPlans? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you on the next one.